I hit that shit.
I hit it with the hands.
Yeah, he hit it. He hit it.
What? You hit it.
I hit it after you hit it. Rebotó el tape upward.
I hit it with the hand. Get this shit, Frito.
What?
Do it. Oh, don't get him the cuerno.
Do I have to clock it?
Is it ready?
Do I have to clock it?
No, it's Fritos. Where's the Glock?
It's ready or what? Oh shit.
Oh, this
Is this ready? Clock it. Dale, güey. Is it ready? Can you not do it in my ears?
Do it, Fritos.
Fritos, tírala.
What was that?
You're like over there.
Alright, who wants to take one for the musket? Is it already, no?
Get it, wait up. Oh, the tape just blew off. Oh, that was close. That was too low. Put it a little higher. Was that a hit? Let me see if Fritos after you.
One more. Hey, watch out. Hey, tranquilo con la tire foot porque rebota.
Yeah, va por dentro. You're holding it right to my ear.
Mira, going down, ese.
It is going down.
Shit.
Too bad I couldn't get that on tape. Do it. No, because Ernest is covering it.
The blue one.
Well found. ¿Qué se cayó? You see that shit? ¿Qué se cayó?
The scope. Wait up, cuidado. It ain't empty yet. That's the scope.
There?